Are you wondering if Crashlytics works with Google Play Instant? You're not alone. Many developers are curious about integrating these powerful tools. Today, we're going to explore how to set up Crashlytics for your Android Instant apps. I totally get it. Integrating analytics and crash reporting into your apps is crucial for understanding user experience and fixing issues. It can be frustrating when you're not sure if your tools will work together. But don't worry, we've got this. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. A user asked, does Crashlytics work with Google Play Instant, and how do I set up my project correctly? If you've been wondering the same thing, you're in the right place. So what's the deal? Crashlytics does indeed support Google Play Instant apps, but the setup is a bit different compared to regular Android apps. Understanding these differences is key to a successful integration. And stick around. I'll share a pro tip at the end that will make your integration process even smoother. You won't want to miss it. To integrate Crashlytics with Android Instant apps, the user should first ensure that they have the latest version of the Android Studio installed. This is crucial for compatibility. Next, the user needs to add the Crashlytics dependency to their project. This can be done by modifying the build.gradle file in the app module. After adding the dependency, the user should configure the Firebase Crashlytics in their project. This involves setting up the Firebase console and linking the app. Now, the user must enable Crashlytics in their Instant app module. This is done by adding the necessary configuration in the module's build.gradle file. Finally, the user should test the integration by forcing a crash in the app. This will help verify that Crashlytics is capturing the crash reports correctly. Fun fact, did you know that Crashlytics was originally a standalone service before being acquired by Google? It's come a long way in helping developers improve their apps. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves adding specific lines to your build.gradle file in the application module. This step is necessary to ensure Crashlytics works properly with your Instant app. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. One user tested Crashlytics with version 1.24.5 and found it worked well. They set up their project by adding specific configurations in the base module. First, they included the Crashlytics installation link in the base module. Then, they modified the build.gradle file by adding Instant App support and the Instant Apps dependency. Additionally, they updated the base module application class to set a Boolean for Instant App detection. After these steps, they successfully triggered a crash, which was logged in their dashboard. If you encounter any issues, they recommend reporting them on the Google Issue Tracker for further examination. Here's that pro tip I promised. Regularly check your Crashlytics dashboard for insights on crashes and user behavior. This will help you continuously improve your app. And there you have it. You should now be able to integrate Crashlytics with your Android Instant app successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and remember to keep your app running smoothly.